my, oh no, oh my goodness, tell me he saved it. Tell me he saved it. Oh, Randy Mamela, eat your heart out. Fantastic from Stephen Odendahl.
Whoa, what a save!
Well, look at the
what a save!
Angle. Oh, Yuma Sasaki, go and buy yourself not one lottery ticket, go and get as many as you can afford, because that is unbelievable.
Big crash for Alex, but no, we haven't. Oh my goodness! Is he going to save it?
Randy Mamola, eat your heart out.
Oh my goodness! What? Come on, Alex, get it stopped! Oh wow!
There should be a Randy Mamola award, shouldn't there, for great saves like this.
Oh my goodness me! I can't believe that.
Guys, we were just saying how easy it happens.
Yeah, well, there, yeah, exactly. There it is. There it is.
12 days riding to the end of the set. Oh, poor old dad.
Oh, poor Julian.
Imagine being a father, watching that.
Marquez then, and he loses the front, and as ever, he saves it.
Look at the angle of this front tyre, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the angle of this front tyre.
He stays on, he gets a massive round of applause, and he
did
salutes the crowd afterwards.
That is another unbelievable. Look at the marks being left by his elbow slider. That was incredible. How does he do it?